Here's another vintage Star Trek collectible from Willits Design, also from the mid-90s. I'm not sure if this Enterprise is made from polystone or resin or possibly even porcelain. It has lights and sounds. You can turn it on and the lights just come on. Let me turn off this light so you can see that better. It's got a little flashing tail light, a dome light, navigation lights, the nacelles light up. Let me turn it for you. And it plays music.
The final frontier. These are the voyages of the starship Enterprise. Its 5-year mission, to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
And that's your Star Trek Enterprise NCC-1701 from the original series. Made by Willits Design, limited edition, put out sometime in the mid-90s. And here are your switches. That starts the music. That's off.